Trick or treat, people! Happy Halloween from Wheel Collectors. This is the 6th video on our giveaways. It's the best Team Transport case to date. We're going to give it away. I want you to see everything that we're giving away on Thursday. 2 sets of Desert Rally, Retro Entertainment P times 2 sets, Team Transport F 4 winners, Retro Entertainment 2 sets. We're giving 4 of the Halloween 8-car set away. And then, you know what? We're going to give away Team Transport B, the best case that they've done so far, in my humble opinion. It's getting super hard to find this now. It has the very incredibly done, detailed Snake and Mongoose. And Snake and Mongoose are, of course, legendary. And we're going to pop this case open and show you. There's going to be 2 winners from this case. The person that subscribes is going to have a shot at the Snake and Mongoose. A commenter has a shot at the other 2 cars, the Momo Porsche and the Nissan. Do a quick top-down view real quick. You can see that bright red Momo Porsche. Oh yeah, see the 71 in there. See the Snake and Mongoose. Here we go. This is our case opening on our 6th video for our giveaway on Thursday. Hope you guys are enjoying this. It's been super fun to give away this kind of stuff. This right here is the first car out of the case. Is a Nissan Laurel 2000 SGX Secura Sprinter. It's got that awesome hood tampo stripes on it. And I'm not sure if how many people have actually opened this on YouTube yet, but we're going to give you a real good look at the Snake and Mongoose. So here's the Porsche 962 Fleet Flyer. This is an amazing truck and hauler. Got the super hot Momo Porsche in it, which again, I would drive that any day if I could fit. Check this out. This is the Snake, who is Don Prudhomme. Trailer and funny car. The 72 Plymouth Cuda funny car and retro rig. Try to get you some close-ups here. But just how cool this set is. And you got it on the truck. Super highly detailed with the horns and lights on top. The graphics on the side of the car just, to me, as good as it gets for Hot Wheels. You know, Snake and Mongoose are one of the things that set Hot Wheels off to begin with. So, there's Snake. Here is Mongoose. Tom McCune. Mongoose. Very, very, very similar style, look, feel on the Mongoose as there is on the Snake. And the Snake and Mongoose set is going to be really good and sought after long term, in our humble opinion. You know, we already getting emails for it because people can't find it anymore, and it's dried up. But guess what? We're going to give you a shot at winning this. All you got to do is subscribe to our channel. So here's the top-down view of the case. This case was just, again, it's all opinion-based, but in our humble opinion, this was the best case so far because of these 2 cars. Just awesome. So, like I said, subscribe to win this. Comment to win this. Do both. Have fun. Happy Halloween, guys. Wheel Collectors is out.